Okay, so my hammer, which is here called a, let's see, I think it's a, right here, Badeco Swiss made, and I've had it for probably like 20 years, and it finally broke. The spring broke. I don't use it often, and I wasn't sure how to take it apart. And as you can see, it's got this part, has the spring in the middle, so it kind of goes like this with this last part screwed on. So that's how it was put together. I wasn't sure how to take it apart. I unscrewed this, had to use some pliers. Then I thought I had to undo this screw to get rid of this so I could then pull the spring out. Well, I tried and tried, even put the screwdrivers and everything in vices and wrenches and twisted, and I cannot get that screw out. I'm stripping it. I don't know if it's meant to come out or what, but it's not coming out. If I ever do need to change that out, I'm gonna have to just drill through and just put a rivet in or something. Not coming out, but it just pulled apart. So much easier. Anyway, so that just came out. Takes a little bit of work to pull off both ends. Then I ordered this from Rio Grande Jewelry Supply, and it supposedly should work. Hopefully you'll see. I think I'm gonna just try to push and hammer that on, and the same onto this side, slip it on, but obviously with the spring on before I put it all together, and it should work again. So I'm not sure how hard that'll be, but let me just try pushing and seeing what's going on. Yeah, pushing kind of works. Wiggle, push, it's going on. A lot more strength. It's probably like halfway on. Might take a hammer and just like try hammering it. That worked. As you can see, it's all the way down. It's already all the way in there. So that worked really well. And couldn't see any videos on how to repair these, so hopefully this helps someone along the way. Got to get this guy back on, which just, I think just sits there. I don't even think it screws in or does anything. So we'll put that there. And we will hammer or shove this guy on. I won't know if it's all the way on, but let's see. That pushes back, so we'll see. We'll see how long that is. It's about the length of that brick right there, so I'll know if that goes down, if it goes down far enough. So here we go. I'm gonna try to push it without hammering because I don't want it to break this collet thing here. I guess we could always look too to see if it's on. It's going on. Maybe I will have to hammer it or hold it with something. Might have to do that off camera, we'll see. Pushing like that bends too much. I like my brick that's falling apart. I just found a piece of brick and obviously it wasn't the right one. Okay, so I will try and I don't want to break it, but maybe the little taps will work. got a bit to go. We'll see. Don't want to hammer that thing too hard because I don't want that to break, but that's pretty much what is going on. It's going down. I can feel a little bit of an edge here, like the hammer is damaging it slightly. Might need to stop there. Try some other way, not sure. Only has a little more to go though. I could file it if I need to, as long as it doesn't break. Not quite all the way on. Here we go again. It'd be nice to undo that so I could be hammering flat on that and not ruining this. I'll try to do it as straight as I can. Almost there. Don't know how far it has to go on. It probably would work just like this. Do just a tiny bit more. Okay, let's hope. It's still not fully on, but might be on good enough. Kind of see him mushroom, making that a little bit of a mushroom. Okay, let's just see if that'll do it. Oops. Yeah, now it gets tight. I don't know why. Okay. I don't have anything to hold the side vice grips. Tight. I'm not sure why it's so tight. So you'll know it is really hard to get off. Okay, I think that's tight. There we go. I'm gonna hook it up to see if it works. Get my pedal working. It's working. There's a little bit of a thing, but my flex shaft doesn't have a good grip, so sometimes you'll see here it's like nothing left of the thing to catch it on there. so it doesn't grip it. I have to change that up. That'll be another day, another video. But yeah, it works. So it's not, I, you know, can keep trying to push it on or maybe just leave it. So yeah, it looks like, you know, it works.